June, oh June. The days are longer, the sun is hotter, and lawns are growing like crazy. More and more homeowners are turning to the experts at Hoffmans for a helping hand. Let's hear what they have to say.
Hoffmans is a great lawn care company, and Caleb is an awesome employee. He was very kind and answered all my questions. He did a great job on my lawn.
First year with Hoffman's Lawn Care, and very pleased with their response time and quality lawn care products. The lawn looks great. They even let us know when they are coming so we could prepare. Lucas, our tech, was personable and answered all our questions.
I recently switched to Hoffmans from another provider, and in just 3 cuts, our lawn has improved greatly. Patrick and his crew go above and beyond when taking care of our lawn. They even pick up the tennis balls the dogs leave in the backyard. 10 of 10 would recommend. As an add-on, we had Travis and his crew came out and cleaned up and remulched our flower beds, and they look fantastic.
My lawn is the envy of my neighbors. Wonderful job, and my pets appreciate it too. Thanks, Damien.
Tech arrived when he said he would, answered our questions, and provided solutions. Our yard looks the best it has in years.
They are professionals, on time and well, takes care of my lawn. As I recently brought the home and a first-time homeowner, I had several questions, and Hoffman's representative gave a quote and answered all of my concerns, and they also suggested few for the healthy lawn. It was so easy to get started with their lawn care program, as my previous owner was using them, which made it easy for me to reach Hoffman. And everything from scheduling to billing was simple and convenient. And our lawn started looking better now, and long way to go still. Their company provide great customer service, and you will get response for your emails too. I'll be using them every year.
Call Hoffmans and get your free quote today. Hoffmans, for a lawn you'll love coming home to.